Alam mo yung feeling na nasa gitna ka ng sobrang daming tao pero ang tahimik ng mundo? Yung wala kang kausap pero hindi ka lonely? Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Amazing Andy. And today, samahan niyo ko sa isang very simple pero special afternoon here sa New York, dito sa Times Square. No plans, walang kasama, walang rush, just me enjoying the moment in very loud city. Tara na, samahan niyo ako. So, habang naglalakad ako dito sa Times Square, ang daming ganap. May street performers, may mga tourist na busy mag-picture-picture, may mga taong nagmamadali. Parang lahat sila may kanya-kanyang mundo. And habang naglalakad ako, napaisip ako, ang galing no? Kahit sobrang chaotic ng paligid, pwede ka rin palang makaramdam ng peace. Kasi today, hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero ang gaan ng pakiramdam ko. Walang big problem, walang heavy thoughts. Parang gusto kong i-celebrate ang feeling na to. Okay ako today, and sometimes, it's already something to be grateful for. Habang naglalakad ako, bigla kong nakita itong Angelina Bakery. Parang na-curious lang ako. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not? Get a try. Pagpasok ko pa lang, iba agad ang vibe. Ang warm ng lighting, ang cozy ng place, tapos yung amoy ng fresh bread at pastries. Grabe, nakaka-comfort. Parang for the moment, nawala yung ingay sa labas. And you know what I love about this place? Yung feeling na kahit sandali lang, you get to pause. Hindi ka nagmamadali, hindi ka inahabol. You're just there, existing and enjoying. So, pagdating ko sa counter, ang daming choices. May croissants, may cakes, different pastries. Parang lahat na lang gusto mong i-try. Pero today, I choose to keep it simple. I ordered their regular donut and cup of cappuccino. Kasi minsan, di ba, hindi mo kailangan ng complicated. Simple lang, pero kapag tama yung moment, it becomes special. So ayun guys, nakaupo na tayo, nakaupo na ako dito, hawak-hawak ko yung aking cup of cappuccino, may init-init pa, tapos yung donut, fresh na fresh, like me, char. First bite, grabe ang lambot niya, hindi overpowering ang sweetness, sakto lang. Then the sip of coffee, yung init niya parang nagsaspread sa buong katawan mo, relaxing and comforting. Habang kumakain ako, tinitingnan ko yung mga tao sa labas, busy sila, nagmamadali, may kanya-kanyang mga lakad. And there's me sitting here, slowly enjoying my food without any rush. And that moment, napangiti lang ako. Kasi guys, bigla kong na-realize, ang saya pala ng ganito, yung hindi mo kailangan ng ibang mga tao para maramdaman mo na masaya ka. Yung kaya mong i-enjoy ang sarili mong company. Lately kasi I've been through a lot of adjustment, new place, new routine, new life. And hindi siya always madali. May mga moment na nakakapagod, may mga moments na namimiss mo yung mga friends mo, and of course, family sa Pilipinas. Pero today, iba. today I choose to focus on what I have instead on what I am missing. And maybe that's why I feel this kind of happiness. Simple pero genuine. Parang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, you're okay, you're growing, and you're doing better than you think. So ayun guys, that's my simple afternoon here at Angelina Bakery in Times Square. Nothing fancy, walang grand plan, pero puno ng realization. If there's one thing I want to share today, you don't always need a crowd or someone else to make you feel happy. Sometimes all you need is a quiet moment by yourself and a cup of coffee, and of course, a peace of mind within yourself. So, if you're watching this and you feel like everything is too much lately, try mo lang mag-pause, have your own moment, kahit simple lang. Because happiness, minsan nasa mga maliliit na bagay. Thank you for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Amazing Andy. See you in my next vlog. Ingat kayo, guys, and always choose to be kind to yourself. Stay amazing, everyone.